Does the mpox vaccine work?
More and more data support that the Jynneos vaccine, originally developed to prevent smallpox, works to protect against mpox. There are a few different types of science that let us know that this vaccine is working. The first type of science is based on experiments in the lab. Scientists in the laboratory can measure immunity using special tests that look at how someone's body responds after vaccination. These tests tell us that the body's immune cells are stimulated by the vaccine, and the body has responded by producing antibodies and cells that can protect against mpox. The science is important, but does not tell us how the vaccine works against a real-world mpox exposure. The second type of science is also in the laboratory, but uses animals to measure the protection provided by the vaccine. Experiments have shown that the vaccine can prevent infections with mpox and other similar viruses in vaccinated animals. In this science, animals are exposed to these viruses in the laboratory after they are vaccinated to see if the vaccine protects them, and it does. Laboratory scientists can also test how the vaccine works in animals to stimulate immune responses using similar lab tests that they would use in vaccinated people. Animals and humans don't always act the same way, so there are some limits to how we can interpret these data. These first two kinds of science were used to develop the vaccine and get us where we are today. The third type of science is epidemiology, which asks how the vaccine functions outside of the laboratory in the real world against the current mpox outbreak. Early data in the United States and other countries are showing that the vaccine is working. As we learn more and move through this outbreak, we will know more about the real-world performance of the vaccine against mpox. But this kind of science takes time. It might be more difficult to complete as cases decrease, and it's harder to see what the impact of the vaccine is on real-world mpox transmission.